Most traders chase the first break and miss the real move. The second break locks in the strongest structure. Spotting it fast gives you the clearest setups. I'll show you how to see it instantly and act with confidence. Quick note, this logic can be mapped instantly with the tool. Stick with me and you'll see the second break appear in real time across any chart. Watch closely. The tool now highlights the second break instantly, showing the strongest structure without manually drawing anything. But wait, before we break it down manually, you need to know this logic is instantly automated. The structure companion tool is the ultimate fix, identifying all the highs, lows, and imbalances across all time frames. You are getting the tool, the short training course, and the exclusive Discord support to make sure you use it perfectly. You're gaining a guaranteed system for structure analysis, not just software. This is your next step to trading with confidence and precision. Now listen close. That instant proof you just saw, the structure companion tool, is the reason. It takes everything you're about to learn manually and does it instantly across all time frames. If you know you need this guaranteed instant fix, the link is right below this video. Otherwise, let's look at how it works. First, we'll go through mainly how we actually spot the first and second break of structure, why it's important, and how you can also later see how you know ahead of time if you can trade the first break, that change of character. So we're going to do this on the Audi US dollar on a daily time frame. I'm actually going to show you here, let's just go through to this area of price, how you look at mapping it up. So from this high, let's say we have a break of structure to the upside. We'll map this out as a BOS in the market. That is our break of structure. Once we've done this on a daily, perhaps we'll look at it 1 minute so you can see how it works on different time frames. Now, from this point, this creates this low, and what actually happens here straight away is we get our change of character, our first break of structure. So it's called a change of character because we've gone from a bullish market again into a bearish market. And from this point, we create a high right here where we see another break of structure, but again, it's another change of character. Are you starting to see the pattern here? The market went bearish, went bullish, bearish, bullish. Okay, so that is the pattern. After this, we then get another break of structure to the upside. This is what we call our second break. This is our second break of structure, and it is after this second break of structure is when you're going to find much higher probability chance when you're looking for your setups. You can trade a change of character if you have the stats behind it to show you that it's going to work, and I will show you that towards the end of this video, so keep watching to understand how you can find out with using the stats inside the tool to actually trade these change of characters. So when you see this, a choppy market, and then eventually you get the breakout with that second break, look for the pullback. Now here what we simply have is an area of imbalance. Price holds that imbalance, and we do get another break of structure right there. So we get another break of structure straight away, and plot that in. So we get another break of structure, pull back high low, and another break of structure. So the market continues to be bullish. So after we saw that second break we had here, now as long as this is in line with the higher time frame, so that would be like you're looking for the day to be in line with a weekly direction or monthly direction, or even a higher time frame potential pullback phase where this day is pulling back against. And this is to show you how the second break will work in your favor. So now you see the final move here is still to the upside. So after you saw this first break, you wait, you see the second break, and you start to follow price to trade it to the upside. I'm not saying you're looking to trade on this time frame, but you can look to take entries on the lower time frame with this potential structure. So that is how you can look at first and second break. Now this is a daily time frame. Let's just pop down to a 1 minute time frame, and let's look at the same sort of thing. So right here in the market, we have a break of structure. So it'll apply to the same process. Again, we have a nice bullish break here to the upside. What do we get here? This is our low. This is a change of character. So there's our change of character. Very, very simple. Then the market, okay, creates this high. We don't break it. And we create this as a potential low. And we have a new break of structure. What does that show me? That's showing me that second break of structure. After that, we get a nice pullback into imbalance. And then the price falls for new break of structure to run for that low on a 1 minute. It's that simple. That is how you start to see where that change of character, you wait. Yes, on this occasion, we got a nice pullback inside that change of character to the origin of the move, and we run for that low. Again, there is a way you can tell to see if this is actually worthwhile taking, if the stats are correct. And then we get a nice pullback continuation, and the market continues to fall. So even here, we have another break structure. Okay, this is live price we're looking at right here. Another break of structure. And then currently we have a high that we mark here. Price has not come back to that high. And we have a new low that you're looking to see if price is going to run to break structure again. So this is the logic behind understanding your first, that second break. Now let's look at how we can actually see those second breaks in seconds on your chart. And that is by adding the tool on. I'll do this now on the 1 minute time frame first. So straight away you can see we've got these added on. So if I just now remove all those levels that we had plotted, you can see that we come from this change of character bullish to change of character bearish to a break of structure. So the indicator instantly plots to me where those change of characters were to that second break. Then we have a continuation, and it even shows me where my low is for that target and where these leftover imbalances are marked as well. And you can see here on this chart at the bottom corner, it shows me the 1 minute is currently bearish, higher time frames are bullish. And what I said about as well, understanding your stats, whether you can trade this change of character on a pullback, this is a bearish change of character. The bottom area here on this stats table shows me the first break being that change of character, and the top area shows me the second break of structure when you're looking for the continuation. If we look at the stats here, for a week high, we've got a 63.1%, but on a first break of structure for a week high is a 67.6%. That tells me when we're looking for a change of character bullish, very often you'll find a change of character will run for the previous week high gain at a higher rate than the actual continuation. And again, when we look at the week low being hit here, we've actually got 62.1% for week low on a second break. So that's after this break of structure pullback, we've got a 62.1% that we're likely to hit that low again. But on a first change of character, we've also got a 62.2. Again, it's slightly higher. So it's telling me that when we make this pullback, the chance of hitting this low is actually slightly higher than even a continuation move. So that's when we can use that in your favor in looking for those setups. And that's how we look at that first change of character to the second break, using this structure stats as well to give you the potential areas of setup. Now, combination of that, if we go to a daily time frame here quickly again, and we can see the same thing on a daily. If we look at the same stats, you can see it's already plotted that change of character for me, where we had that break of structure we went through earlier. So it's instantly on the chart for you. And we'll look at a few other time frames in a moment. But if we look at these stats, so for the week high, we've got a 65.7, and a week high on the first is 64.4. So in that scenario, I would not look to trade the change of character, not to the upside. And when we look at the week low here, we've got a 63.6, but on a week low first change of character, 69.5. So I would potentially look for a sell. So if we look at this here area here, our change of character is bearish. This is our current low. We failed to break it, but what did we do? We did run the low after this pullback. So that 69.5% is very accurate because it's showing me this break to downside for the week low. We pulled back and we ran that low again. So yeah, that's where you can look to trade the first break of structure, that change of character. But if you want to make sure you've always got everything in line, waiting for the second is going to be a much higher probability in your favor. But when you've got this sort of stats behind you, it's going to help you to find the best setups as well. And you can see this works on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, marks all the levels for me. Let's bring this up. Also, this is going to show me my daily levels at the same time. We can do it on a 30-minute as well. It instantly plots it in seconds for you and those internal structures. And that's how you can use that first, second break of structure to your advantage. When using the companion tool, it's going to instantly plot it in seconds. It's also going to give you the information to look for those stats, whether you should be trading a change of character or just trading that second break of structure. So that's the Structure Companion tool. Your complete structure mapped automatically, validated across multiple timeframes in seconds. Remember, when you get access, you are securing lifetime access to the indicator, the short training course, and the exclusive Discord support. This isn't just a fix, it's a complete system for confident structure analysis. Don't waste another day manually drawing structure. The link to claim your full access is right below this video. To see this applied across multiple setups and timeframes, check out the next video. It breaks down the entire logic step by step for maximum clarity and accuracy.